Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla style screen special for Hyundai Santa Fe 2013 to 2017 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. Okay, this head unit Tesla style screen. This is template 4-inch IPS touch screen, special for Hyundai Santa Fe. Okay, you can check. Its front and the back you can check. This is audio and other cable connection port. It's USB, it's radio, it's GPS, it's Wi-Fi antenna, this microphone, and fuse power connection. Okay. First, let me show the harness. You can check this GPS antenna. GPS antenna. Okay, and this special harness support factory camera. This camera adapter, IC type camera adapter, you can check. Okay, and this connect to canvas box. You can check this ix45 Santa Fe, Hyundai Santa Fe canvas decoder box. And this ISO harness connect on back, and this special speaker and power cable connector. Okay, and there is USB. Okay, this is audio left and right, audio input left and right, IC type. Okay. This special harness plug and play. This support USB to USB connects on back, and this also USB This connects on back, and this audio cable you can check AUX input left and right. AUX input left and right. This video input, and this wire, brake wire, do not need to connect. This AMP wire, and the GND wire. This K1 and the K24 stereo control wire, and this IR wire. Okay, and this audio cable, it's RCA type. You can check this subwoofer. This audio out, left and right, front and rear. Okay, this connector on back. This also the video input. This is camera input, and video out. I set up this video input. Okay, and this back power, backup camera reserve, and this power wire. Okay, well, let me show head unit. Okay, connect power cable on back. Power with 12 voltage. Okay, head unit start. You can check. Okay, it started. Okay, you can check this front head unit, this built-in mic finder reset hole. You have navigation. It's built in Google Maps, and the radio. This support DSP amplifier. You can check this DSP amplifier. Sound field. This filter. Okay, this DSP amplifier. Music. Video. Bluetooth. You can stream music from Bluetooth. This for link, easy connection for mirror link. Okay. Or if it's here, you can check this built-in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. settings, navigation, apps, custom GPS, data and time, language, this DSP amplifier, and you can adjust the brightness, user setting, stereo controls, system info, more settings. You can check it built-in Wi-Fi, supports 4G, and total you can check it's 64 GB, total 64 GB. Okay, it's RK339 PX6 chip Android 9 Pie system. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.